Hi, this is Emily. This is my video for the scavenger hunt. I'm gonna start off with the Word document that I started. So our group project, we are going to Sweden, but I was looking on the website for anywhere in Sweden, and they didn't have one up yet, so I just picked like the second closest place, which was Norway. And I picked like an Arctic city in Norway called Svolvaer. And the city is it's not a very big city, so some of the things that I picked out I had to be a little bit more descriptive about it. But I'm gonna show where everything is in this video, and then just walk through everything. So I separated it into the different, photos, or like 360-degree photos that it changes into. So the first one is the city at sunrise. So for that one, I said a ship near a bridge, closer to the inland, so I'm gonna go inland. And then is this one right here. I'm pretty sure that's the only ship in the whole area in this 360 photo. That's like out in the water. And then the second one is a curving road leading to the ocean, which is over here. It's kind of a little road to nowhere. I'm assuming maybe they fish over there or something. So for the second one is the city, Svolvaer. Okay, so this one, it was a little bit harder to find anything for this one because as you can see, like the architecture is pretty much all just houses, and they all have like the same theme of the color. So I was focusing on the people in this picture because there's a couple groups of people that you can see walking around here, but I just picked the easiest one, so I'll just zoom in, and you can see there's a group of 3 right here that are wearing all turquoise walking around. And then I'll go to the next one, which is at sunset. And there's also a lot of ships here too, obviously, but this is mostly what I'm focusing on in this video. Okay, so zoom in a little bit. This one's pretty easy as well. There's the ship right there. It is easier to find on a bigger screen. And then the architecture, this one was a little bit easier to pick something to scavenger hunt with. So the first one is this green building right here, and then if you zoom in, it says Elbergs Sonar A/S, and then there's a red shipping container, and then should be right here to the left of that green building. And then I just picked another random one, and it's pretty easy to spot the seagulls on the roof of a red building, so this one right here. Okay, and then the last one, I just picked an easy one. I saw a bunch of lights over here. There's a skiing and snowboarding slope that's right over here. And that's all I got for my scavenger hunt. Like I said, everything else in the architecture in this city in Norway is pretty much the same, and they don't have any like distinct like things that set them apart from each other. And I do realize I spelled the city wrong over here, but other than that, that's the video. You just type wherever you want to go in the search bar, and if they have a 360 photo or video, then it'll pop. Thank you.